We are pleased to show you the 2023 Mustang. The Mustang is race-worthy and ready for the track. This vehicle has less than 35,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rain-sensing wipers, rear spoiler, blind spot monitor, aluminum wheels, wheel locks, stability control, tire pressure monitor, daytime running lights, rear-wheel drive, driver illuminated vanity mirror. If affordable style and reliability are what you're looking for, this vehicle couldn't be more perfect. Drive it today.